Hi, I'm Carol Fraser, and tonight I'm going to be announcing a giveaway. But I want you to stay to the very end so that I can announce what the giveaway is, because right now I'm going to talk about 3 key ingredients for treating eczema. So stay to the end so that I can tell you what the giveaway will be. But let's get started on the first ingredient, which is neem. Now, neem is an Ayurvedic herb, and it's been used for decades as a natural medicine native to India since ancient times. And it's a great herb, and it's antifungal, antibacterial. It's got the amazing properties which take down inflammation, making it an excellent use for skin, and it's best used with coconut oil to get the best effects. Now, I've added this particular herb to one of my products, which is Dermazeam Velvet, to give it a more intense moisture and faster skin repair for broken skin. The second ingredient is a superior moisturizer, and that is shea butter, and that has been used for centuries, and it's handmade in West Africa. It contains essential fatty acids and plant antioxidants, which are anti-inflammatory, and it's good for redness and irritation, and it's a rich moisturizer. And what it does, it seals in the moisturizer to stop moisture loss on the skin, which is great for eczema prone and chronically dry skin, because it hydrates the skin and it keeps the skin hydrated. And it also repairs the skin barrier, so it acts as a layer on the skin which helps to protect it as well. Now, the third one is virgin coconut oil, preferably cold pressed virgin coconut oil, because it's antifungal and it's rich in fatty acids, and it's an effective moisturizer, well, for moderately dry skin. But the shea butter makes up for that in terms of its richness when they're combined together. And it also reduces the water loss in the skin as well, and it improves the skin barrier. It's for people with eczema in particular. If you're suffering from a flare and you're just getting over it, coconut oil can be a very good oil in terms of its anti-inflammatory and rich fatty acids, and also improving the skin barrier function. It's also antibacterial in nature, because the lauric acid in coconut oil helps to reduce the presence of bacteria. So that's the 3 key ingredients that are good for eczema prone skin. Now, the giveaway that I have for you today is a product called African black soap. Now, you might have heard about African black soap. It's handmade in West Africa, and guess what? It contains 2 of these key ingredients, which is coconut and shea butter. Now, it's been tested in a dermatology clinic, and it was given a good feedback in terms of it not over drying the skin, and it was quite good for skin conditions, including eczema. And people have been using it, and they've commented on how moisturizing it is. And the foaming action is not from anything that's synthetic. It's got no SLS. It's all handmade, pure natural ingredients. It's the lauric acid that gives it a really good soft foaming action. Now I want to give away 100 grams of African black soap to anyone that wishes to purchase any of our products at dermazeam.co.uk, and I'll put the link in the description. So all you have to do is purchase any product you want from the website, and I will send you 100 grams of African black soap until the end of January. So get onto the website, have a look at our products. If you have any questions, get in touch with me and I'll make sure you get your free giveaway of 100 grams of African black soap. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.